Well, good morning everybody. Thanks for joining me again. I'm just taking a quick walk to Berry Head. I've not brought lots of equipment with me today, no tripod, so sorry if the camera's a bit shaky and the sound quality's not that good. But I'm out for my daily exercise and thought I'd document some of it, maybe take a couple of photos, but we'll see what we find. Well, as you can see, I was just walking past Shelston Pool. There's been lots of good photographs taken of especially this corner of the pool, and the light's pretty good this morning, but without the tripod and a lot of gear I'm not going to be able to get a great picture of this. Plus the inspiration's just not in me this morning, so we'll carry on to Berry Head. Well, as you can see behind me, there is something I just want to try. You can see this leading line in the rocks and the water swirling around it. Hopefully you can hear me. But that's just crying out for a long exposure shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an ND filter on and then just rest the camera on my rucksack on the floor and see what I can get. Well, I'm walking up the road to Berry Head this time. Chosen to go on the road rather than the path. If I do meet anybody, even though it's early in the morning, at least that gives us a chance to keep socially distant. The other reason I've come this way is I often see roe deer in the paddocks at the side of the road here. And of course, plenty of bird life. I've seen buzzards here in the summer. Now there's no leaves or very few leaves on the trees. Gives us a better chance of seeing them. And as for the roe deer, I'll keep my eyes open. And if I don't see anything today, I'll show you some shots from earlier on in the year. Anyway, let's keep going. Remember, I'm out for my exercise. So I've made it to Berry Head. Just going to the end of the headland here and see if there's any dolphins to be seen. Still a glorious morning. A few dog walkers out. But so far it's still quite quiet, which is nice. Well, first impressions, it looks very quiet out there. I can see some fulmars and I can see a couple of porpoises. No dolphins as yet. But I'll give it 5 or 10 minutes. There's no one here. Yeah, and we'll see what we see. Well, I knew if I waited long enough I'd see some dolphins, and there they are behind me. So I'm just going to take some film and try and get some photographs for you. Well, that was amazing. Just witnessed the dolphins rounding up a ball of fish, and then the ganners diving in on it. It's just below me here. It's great, and they're still at it. Well, it's starting to get a bit busier now. 3 or 4 people up here now, so I think it's time to call it a day, go home. and if I get any more photos on the way home, I'll show you them at the end of this video. Well, that was amazing, seeing the dolphins making that bait ball on the end of the headland there. Don't often see them that close in. And seeing the gannets diving, joining in. Hopefully got some good photographs and some films to show you. But remember, I'm on my daily exercise, so I'm going to take a slow walk back past the guillemot colony there, and I'll call it a day. Thanks for joining me again. Hopefully I'll see you next Sunday. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a like. Bye for now. Cheerio.